welcome back to my channel. This is a what I got for Christmas video, and I just thought it would be really fun to film this video and I don't know, show you guys what I got for Christmas. And so if you like watching Christmas videos, this is the perfect video for you because there is like so much stuff behind me, and I'm really grateful for everything that I got. And by no means is this video to brag or boast or any of that stuff about what I got. This is just a fun video and hopefully to give you guys ideas if your birthday's coming up, or I don't know, like New Year's, if you guys get like New Year's Eve gifts, some like little ideas or stuff that you guys should cop if you didn't get it for Christmas. And I know not everyone is fortunate enough to receive stuff on Christmas, I'm well aware, but I am fortunate enough to receive stuff and I just want to share what I got with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I got for Christmas, then keep on watching, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button below. The first thing that my friend got me was just this Shumera 3 travel sizes cleansing oil starter kit, and it's really cute. And it just has like 3 things in it, and it's just really cute, and I'm really grateful. And she also got me a $20 Starbucks gift card, which I will be so utilizing soon. So I'm really, and then my other friend got me this scarf. I love it. It's really soft, and I have been wearing this a ton since I got it, and I'm obsessed with it. And then also got me the pop socket that I have on my phone. The thing she got me was the Jaclyn Hill Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. So it just looks like that. And then one of my friends, I haven't seen her yet, so I don't know what she got me, but yeah, I'm excited for that. And then so I guess going into what my family got me, one of my cousins actually got me a $50 gift card to a bunch of different food places, which I am obsessed with, and I'm so happy she got me that, so thank you very much. And then going on to what my parents got me, the first thing my brother got me, it was just a Nintendo Switch, which I am like literally obsessed with. See this? It's just the Yeezy Boost 350s in the zebra thing. So I got this earlier on, but this is just what these shoes look like. I've been wearing these a ton and I'm obsessed with them, so that's what I got then. And then my brother also got me AirPods, which I am obsessed with. I don't know where I put the box because obviously I've like, that was something I got like earlier on, so I'm obsessed with those. But then the other thing I got, and the next piece I got, okay, so technically I got this for my birthday back in October, but it counted as towards like a Christmas gift as well, and I don't think I ever showed you guys, but it was from Gucci, and it's just this like Gucci Mama like camera bag. I've had this since like my birthday, but I never showed it, so I thought I would just show it to you guys in this haul as well. And then I also got Gucci slides, but they're in my closet and I'm too lazy to grab them. I like literally live in Champion clothing. Like I sleep, breathe, eat in Champion clothes. Literally my entire closet is just Champion. So because I already didn't have enough, I got this Champion hoodie from Urban Outfitters, and it was so funny because my dad's like, it looks like it has like a Burberry print, which is really funny because I have a Burberry scarf, and it literally actually does have like a similar print, like not exactly the same, but like the one I have, it's like the brown one with like red. It's really cute. Anyway, so yeah, I got this and it was really nice, and I know Champion sweaters are like $100 each, so I'm really happy to have more because I can never have enough. But then me and my brother, we both got this next item. Like my brother got 2 pairs of Yeezys. He also got he got the same Apple Watch as me, but his is black. Or I think he got the Hermes. I don't know which one he got, but he also got an Apple Watch, like the Series 4. But we also got like, he got 2 pair of Yeezys too. He got the zebra ones, and then I got him the, I forgot what but they're like a light gray cream color. I forgot what they're called, but yeah, so he has like 2 pairs of the 350s. Are they 350s? I don't know, but he has like 2 pairs of those too. And then I got this like Messino Paris, oh no, Messino Milano scarf. His is gray, mine's is black. And I also got from Alex and Annie, my mom got me 2 bracelets. So the first one is just my birthstone one, like, because I'm a Libra, and so it's just like in rose crystal. And then I also got one with, I also got an Alex Nanny bracelet with a little like Eiffel Tower on it, which I thought was really cute because I'm obsessed with Alex Nanny bracelets. And I have this Bare Vanilla like hand lotion, and then I also got the Bare Vanilla body mist, which was really nice. Fujifilm, which is really funny because I thought this was for my Instax camera. It wasn't, because I got this Fujifilm like Instax like printer thing. So basically it's like, it's an Instax Share SB2 gold in gold. So basically it's like any picture you have on your phone you can print in Polaroid form through this printer, and it's really really cool because it's just like Polaroid printer. So I got this, I think this was like $160, but it's just this Seagate Backup Plus thing for your like MacBook, and it's basically just like a, it's literally just like a storage thing. So I can like back up everything on my computer to this, and this has 4 terabytes, so this will last me like a lifetime. And I just googled like the best like storage, external storage things, and this was one of the ones that came up. And you also get like, I think like 200 gigabytes of iCloud data with it. I got an Apple Watch, and I am literally obsessed with this. This is the Series 4 Gold Aluminum Apple Watch with GPS and cellular. It is the Apple Watch Series 44 millimeter gold aluminum pink sand sport band with GPS and cellular, and I am literally so excited to use this. Like, oh my god, you guys don't understand. I am obsessed with this. I've been wanting this, but it was so expensive, and I'm so happy I got it. So thank you, Mom and Dad. The next thing that I got, I guess I'll show you, is from Lululemon. And then, so from Lululemon, my mom got me 2 pair of tights. So the first one she got me was just this pair right here, which looks like that. And they just have like this, I need a white like lens, but it just looks like this, and it just has like this print going all through it, which is really cute. And then she also got me like a all like black pair of Lulus, which are really cute. And the next thing I got is just this neon light, which I know have been really in like trend right now, but this one is just says okay, which I say a lot because I'm like, okay, like whatever. So it looks like this, and it's red, and it's just really cute, and I'm really excited. The other thing I got was from Holt Renfrew, and my mom actually got me a Lumi case, which I'm obsessed with. And this is the one, this is the Dua Insta Frame light case. Oh, you really want to be in this video, don't you? It's just the and so this one, it like lights up from the front and the back, so it's just really cool. And and it's just this, I don't even know if this is in the frame, but it's just this big like philosophy, like Philosophy's Guide to Warm and Cozy thing. And at the back, it just has like everything that's in it. I don't want to go into detail because this video is gonna be really long, but it just has like a bunch of stuff in it. And then the next thing I got from my parents was from Morphe. And then from Morphe, I got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Lip Scrub in Strawberry Gum, which is really cool. And then I also got the Morphe Solid Brush Cleaner. And then I got the Duo Lash Glue in white because I've been liking this one more than the dark one because it like dries clear. And then I also got Morphe brushes. So this is the set number 504, and it just comes with, it came in like this case, like all of these like brushes. Then for my dad, I got this like SanDisk thing for this camera because there's not a lot of storage on the SD card I'm using right now, but this one is 64 gigs, so I'm really excited to use this. Sephora Favorites superhero kit thing, and it just has like all these like makeup things in it. And next thing I got is from Kiehl's, and in here it Ultra Facial Trio, and in this were the Ultra Facial Cream, We also got the Ultra Facial Toner, the Ultra Facial Cleanser. Body Shop is just like a bunch of like body washes, and I got this for a Solly Jelly Bean thing, and this is in the shade Glow Herbivore Self Love Bath and Body Ritual. I got this like Magnetone London Blend Up Vibra Sonic makeup blending brush, which is really cool. Next thing I got is just the Elizabeth and James Nirvana perfume, and I got was the Ardell Wispies, and there's just like a bunch of like different, really like 12 pairs of lashes in here. So, but then I also got the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick, and then a mineral blush in Hyacinth Pink color. It's 2 Kylie lip kits. I got one in Dulce K and one in Exposed. Spring Skin Perfector pressed one in Prosecco Pop, which my mom actually found at a makeup store in, I think it was a cosmetic store in Chicago, because we like flew to Chicago for Thanksgiving weekend to like go shopping and stuff. So that was really fun, and I got this there. So she just kind of included it in my like Christmas gifts. And then I'm obsessed with Makeup Revolution, so my mom got me the Makeup Revolution highlighting palette, and then she also got me the Japanesque High Density Foundation Brush, the Estee Lauder Double Wear to Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. Got a Tom Ford blush in the shade Wicked. Like, obsessed with Tom Ford makeup. I have so much of it. So that's what that Tom Ford blush looks like. And then it's just like a mini Visor palette, and it looks like that. It's really pretty. I got another Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, the Tory Burch Love Relentlessly perfume, which is really nice, the Huda Beauty Nude palette, which I really wanted, another Modern Renaissance palette. I already have one, so this one's like a backup, and so specs like 4 mini highlighters, which are really cool. 2 MAC glitters, one in platinum and one in yellow gold. So this is the Tom Ford Skin Illuminating Power Duo and #1 Mood Light. Mood Light. And it just looks like that. That was really nice. I think it's like 100 something. So I got Tom Ford lipstick in the shade All Mine. But then I got this like little gift box thing, and in here it was just like the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops in the shade Fantasy. I got a Makeup Revolution like foundation. I got a Makeup Revolution luminous gold highlighter. I got 2 super fan mascaras from Smashbox, and then I also got 2 Makeup Revolution concealers. So that is all I got for makeup. So from UGG, my mom, well, I keep saying my mom, like my mom and my dad, they got me these, oh my, those are so soft, but they actually got me like 2 pairs of these like UGG socks to wear with my UGGs, and they're like, I wish you guys could like feel the material, but they're 99% polyester and 1% elastane, but they're just so soft. So I got this kind of like I was gonna say, okay, these are kind of like a lavender like pinkish color, and then I got the same ones in white. It's like sleep tea, and it's just like, it looks like that, like the girl, it's just like a long t-shirt, and then to wear with it, she got me these, I'm holding them the wrong way, but just these like Victoria's Secret like velvet shorts. But the first thing I got was this, like, not the first thing, but she got me this like quarter zip like purple sweater that like kind of like tie, like you can pull the string at the bottom, and it's just really cute, and it's from Pink. Skinny track pants, I can't talk, from Pink. And they also have like zippers Like it's literally the exact same thing as the Adidas soccer pants, but like Victoria's Secret pink edition. Aritzia, and then so from Aritzia I got like a lot of stuff. So so they came wrapped in like these like Aritzia boxes, and so the first thing I got, it was just this white really soft shirt right here, and it's from the brand Wilfred. And then oh my god, I'm obsessed with this next piece. Like, you guys don't understand, I'm like obsessed because it's so soft. But it's just this like really fuzzy like warm sweater, and it's just like a v-neck, and it's long, and it's so cute. And again, like there's this nice Wilfred sweater, and it's just pink, and it's really cute. And then there was this like headpiece thing, like it's like a headband, and this is also from Aritzia. This is from the brand Main Character that Aritzia sells, and this was really cute, and it's just really like, it's really nice. And then I got this pair of TNA like thick leggings, and they just have a TNA symbol, and they're long and they're thick and they're really nice. And then so that's what I got for clothing from Aritzia, from my mom and dad. And then so yeah, so that is everything I got for Christmas. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I know this video is like a really long one, and there's like a lot of stuff, but I hope you guys enjoyed it regardless. And let me know what you got for Christmas in the comments below. And I hope you guys have a very happy new year, and please let me know what type of videos you guys would like me to film. If you guys like haul videos like these where I like, oh, this isn't really a haul because it's like what my parents got me for Christmas, and like family and stuff, and like friends. But yeah, if you guys like watching videos like these, let me know, and then I'll be sure to film more, but like with stuff that like I bought like when I go shopping. And then if you guys want any makeup videos with the stuff I got, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or a dislike, whichever one. You're free to do whatever you want. And then be sure to subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, which I'll leave linked below. And yeah, I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. And also, if you liked my content and you would like to watch more, I have playlists like linked. I'll also like link it up above, which from previous hauls. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful Merry Christmas, and I hope you got to spend time with your family, because that is what Christmas is about. We had a huge Christmas party, so all my family came over, and it was really fun, and I had a really good time. And yeah, hope you guys did too, and I'll see you guys later.